तो क्या 2025 की 390 एडवेंचर अपने कंपटीशन से बेहतर है? ये देखो, you're gonna be shocked. KTM हमको पागल या कुछ समझता है क्या?
बिना एक्सीलरेटर के ही आगे जा रहा है ना।
European riders, American riders, they are much bigger than us कद में. As you can see, मैं properly sufficiently tiptoe कर रही हूँ. Oh यार, this is definitely quicker than the Himalayan. 15 whole kgs lighter than the Himalayan. पानी में जाते ही बंदनी पड़ जाएगी. Metal, very much so. Metal, plastic. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. I am in Goa today to ride the brand new 2025 की 390 Adventure. This is not the X, this is the higher variant. This starts at 3.6 lakhs X showroom. मैंने लोगों को पूछा था Instagram पे कि आप whatever you have questions about this motorcycle, please do shoot them at me. And here we are. I'm just about to go ride the bike because that is the first thing I want to do, which is already मतलब walk around में आपको सब दिखा दिया. It's a brand new motorcycle, brand new chassis, the overall look, everything about this bike has changed. And man, the features which are really helpful for people who want to go touring with this motorcycle, which is a mix of road as well as off-road. This is, I think, bang for your buck. I'm going to quickly get into my gear and I'll see you on the highway. Especially when you head out on a nice long ride, the quick shifter is something that is so effortless here. Oh yaar, this is definitely quicker than the Himalayan. And it gets to 100 also faster. This a little more comfortable riding experience for myself because यहाँ पे adjustable suspension है, we adjusted it a bit and I'm finding it a lot more comfortable now. ठीक है?
It's on 25 clicks.
Okay. And yesterday what was it on?
It was in 15. Overall is 30 clicks.
Okay.
And standard is 15.
So this suspension adjustment has really helped me feel a lot more comfortable on this bike, and definitely it not being top heavy makes all the difference for me in the world. This is really, I know this is not an adjustable windshield, but it protects you a good amount. So when I was sitting over here for top speed, I was like, wow, not getting hit at all. And it's a good size. इससे थोड़ा लंबा होता ना तो, क्योंकि क्या होता है जब इसके स्क्रैचेस पड़ते हैं ना, it becomes a little difficult for the rider to see कि आगे क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो scratches they kind of compromise on the vision of the rider, which is never very good. So for my height especially, this is great because it is like ये मेरी आँखें हैं यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे ये windshield है. So this is perfect position for it. Adjustable होता तो of course बेहतर होता, but then again इतना पैसा में इतना ही मिलेगा भैया डॉगी, तो हल यार तुम लोग क्यों करते हो ऐसे? A bike like this, I would love to take it out on the ghats in the rain and just go exploring. मैं ज़्यादा ऑफ-रोडिंग वाली बंदी नहीं हूँ क्योंकि ऑफ-रोडिंग की वजह से मेरे पैर पे बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स हो चुके हैं and then it leaves me without my motorcycles for 3-4 months. I go into recovery. तो मेरे को ऑफ-रोडिंग का इतना शौक नहीं है to be honest. But I like to explore. I like it when I can just go off the beaten path. I can go थोड़ा रोड हो गया, थोड़ा ऑफ-रोड हो गया, थोड़ा विलेज का रास्ता हो गया. That's a good combination for me particularly. And that's what I feel like this bike is also awesome for, right? also nice to take U-turns on, as you can see. Let me show you when I am standing and riding, because an adventure bike is meant to be sitting, combination of sitting and standing. How is it for my vision? Okay, now this is thoda mera, I'm looking a little downwards, but I'm also looking at the road, of course. But can you see where that is? इसका जो GFT का placement है बहुत ही अच्छा है, because even when you're standing you can see exactly what street you're doing and all. मैं ज़्यादा देखती नहीं हूँ जब मैं खड़ी रह रही हूँ especially, but it's nice to see when you're what gear you're in, especially when you're standing. Let's test the brake. Okay, those are some good brakes. Nice and urgent when you need them to be. आगे बंदे ने बाइक सडनली रोक ली, टर्न ले लिया. Good brake.
बिना एक्सीलेटर के ही आगे जा रहा है ना.
Okay guys, I'm about to try out my most favorite feature on motorcycles and cars actually, the cruise control. Now let me be honest, none of the made in India motorcycles apart from the TVS RTR 310 have cruise control, and I feel like on a bike like this one, cruise control तो भाई is so important, क्योंकि from the face of it लोगों को लगता है कि भाई एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल है तो फिर ये सिर्फ ऑफ रोडिंग के लिए बनी है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, most of the people that I know that have bought the earlier 390 adventures have been people that do cross country, that do weekend rides, that go out on long rides with their friends and their girlfriends. My brother-in-law got a 390 adventure and he uses 390 adventure entirely for weekend rides with his friends. So that's where I feel like the cruise control is a game changer. I will show you why. I'm going to set up cruise control now. That is me hitting the button. यहाँ पे ये आ गया है. Now, okay, I'm going to set it at, there you go. Are you seeing that? That's my hand, and that's our cruise control in action at 59 kph. Now why do I feel like ये feature बहुत ही amazing है on a bike like this? क्योंकि when you're doing long distances, it gets very very tiring to keep your hand on the throttle, and that is why cruise control really makes a difference, because आपकी जो आधी effort है वो इसमें जाती है, राइट, इसमें. पर आपका जब हैंड, यू कैन चिल फॉर लाइक इवन 5 minutes or 2 minutes, you can stretch your hand out. You are saving some energy there in order to be able to do the long ride for a longer time, right? So now this whole 1 or 2 kilometer stretch I've been on cruise control, and now is when I'll have to brake. Pretty amazing. With me now. The dog is so cute, does he not leaving me? Feeling so bad. I have to go, baby. See, man, getting it off the stand so much easier. Oof, that is like a game changer for me, you know. अभी इसकी माइलेज के बारे में बात कर देते हैं. The new 390 Adventure gives you about 26 kmpl. Not bad at all. आप लोगों ने ये सवाल किए थे मेरे को on my Instagram, and a lot of you have this one very important question which you all had asked me when I was doing the Himalayan ride as well, because I think इतने लोगों को मैं मिली हूँ रोड पे जो बोलते हैं thank you for focusing so much on height and weight, and I feel like yeah, that's a very important aspect for me when it comes to motorcycles, because once that block is out of your mind, you're good to ride any motorcycle. So, this one question I have got from a lot of people: can a 5'4" height wale ride the new KTM 390 Adventure? Okay, so I rode it right now. मेरी height है 5'5.5". So when I was riding it, zero issues at all. The issues for height particularly on bikes like this. So as you can see, मैं properly sufficiently tiptoe कर रही हूँ इस बाइक पे। इसकी सीट हाइट जो है वो है 830 mm on the R and 825 mm on the X. And now इसको मैं थोड़ा move around कर लेती हूँ। मैंने सीखा है how to do U-turns in a more effective way, which is pull my body on one side and do it. But I am going to enact what a regular person who has not undergone that training would do in a narrow U-turn like this, जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक पीछे से आ रही है और उनको वो गलत रास्ते पे निकल गए हैं. Okay? So there's something coming from the back, there's something coming from the front, but I'm going to start inching. Okay? Now I'll have to do a little bit of a reverse. There is something coming from there, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Never get nervous because then you'll drop the bike. And now let's behave like this is a parking lot. Again, I've come to a standstill. This is always like the hard part, right? What I would do in this situation is put it in neutral and move it, because I find that easiest to do. But this is the best part about this bike. It is not top heavy. क्योंकि जब आप ऐसे सिचुएशन में बाइक को इधर उधर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो पार्किंग लॉट में, if this is heavy, you've lost the battle. Okay, this isn't heavy, as you can see. I'm in neutral now. You see how that is not hard to do. See how quickly I'm able to do this. Also because of experience, of course. This was not like this, na? Anish is like, hey, bhai, kahan? Kahan? Okay, there we go. There you go. So, to answer your question, yes, this is a tallish bike, but because it is not top heavy / front heavy, it is much easier to move. And this narrow seat makes a big difference when you are getting, you feel like there's a little respite in seat height because of that. It is easier to ride. Also, what makes all the difference is that it is 15 whole kgs lighter than the Himalayan. Good morning. I love Goa. सब लोग good morning बोलते हैं यार यहाँ पे. बॉम्बे में मतलब सब लोग अभी मरोस हो गए हैं, थक गए हैं जिंदगी के साथ. Anyway, let's talk about the tubeless situation on this. क्योंकि सबको लग रहा है कि भाई झूठ मत बोलो KTM, this does not look like a tubeless situation at all. Those look like tubeless tires, but those are not tubeless rims at all. भाई, KTM has a sealing technology. Basically, I know they are not cross spokes. KTM की अपनी ही technology है to make this whole situation work. These are tubeless tires and these are tubeless rims, and they've been able to make this happen. एक इंसान ने मेरे को सवाल किया था, can we use this on Himalayan? मैं क्या ही बोलूँ तुमको यार.
मैम इसका साइलेंसर एडवेंचर बाइक के मामले में ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं है.
Actually, he's got a point. यार KTM हमको पागल या कुछ समझता है क्या? एग्जॉस्ट इतना नीचे दिया है इन्होंने कि ये पानी में जाते ही बंद नहीं पड़ जाएगी. आप बताओ. नहीं यार, ये देखो. So the chambers and baffles of this exhaust are designed in such a unique way that they do not let water inside. जैसे इस वीडियो में पानी engine guard की यहाँ तक आ रहा है. Look at it, man. So essentially, the new 390 Adventure can wade through 400 millimeters of water, and this after rigorous testing for years and years together. और क्योंकि इस exhaust पे end pipe नहीं है, KTM ने actually 2.5 kilos बचाए हैं weight पे. इसकी overall quality, build quality, fit and finish की quickly बात कर लेते हैं. So one thing I love about this bike is इस पे आपको standard में crash guards मिल जाते हैं. You get this nice tall fender, and I love this. It's such a small thing, but KTM ने इस बात का आपको मतलब ध्यान दिया है. These are not stickers, ठीक है? ये देख रहे हो? they are not stickers. This is actually embedded inside the paint. Off-road जाओगे, इसको गिराओगे क्योंकि that's what it's meant to do. But this will not scratch and leave behind that black which is at the back. This will actually leave behind the orange only. It's a very interesting thing that they could think of. Let's look at what are the plastic and metal parts. Metal, very much so, metal, plastic, 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 of course plastic, plastic, plastic. Thank God metal, thank God. टर्नो पे ये प्लास्टिक था and I was like, grab rails plastic के कैसे भाई कैसे? The main aspects of the motorcycle are in metal and that's important. So thank God for that. This is really good quality. Really, really good quality. The TFT. Features on this are भरपूर. In terms of features, आपको इस पे बहुत सारा कुछ मिल जाता है जो आपको हिमालयन पे नहीं मिलता है. You get things, of course, you'll get the ABS. You get a quick shifter standard on this. You get traction control and you get cruise control, which is such an important part of a motorcycle like this because you're not just going off-roading with an adventure motorcycle, you're also going cross-country, you're going on your weekend rides with your friends. Is this better than its competition? And why would I choose this over its competition? Yes, I would actually choose this over the competition. Simple facts, okay? पहले तो मैंने आपको weight का, height का बता दिया था क्या मसला है seat height and weight का. That is a game changer for me because KTM has actually worked on weight distribution when it comes to the 390 Adventure, and that is a huge, huge thing. They have not just taken parts and assembled them and said, "Chalo, now we've made you a nice looking bike." Right? No. Weight distribution is a very, very important part for riders that are not tall. European riders, American riders, they are much bigger than us, Kad mein, and they don't find that so hard. A lot of people I'm riding with today are super tall and these are not even things they care about. But it is people like us that have to consider these things. क्योंकि एक बार weight आपके brain में घुस जाए, and if you're not riding this daily, it is going to be something that sticks in your mind, right? This, on the other hand, you don't have to think much about क्योंकि इसकी weight distribution है, ठीक है? So weight definitely is one, weight and height, love it. Secondly, I mean, I love a lot of things about the Himalayan, but the one thing, if you remember when I talked about in my video when I was reviewing the Himalayan was that it's a top-heavy-ish motorcycle. That is not the case with this. This gets a quick shifter, which the competition doesn't get. This makes 6 horsepower more than the Himalayan. And dude, that cruise control is the best feature I think an adventure motorcycle should have. Trust me, if you do long distances with cruise control, you're going to know what I'm talking about. I absolutely think it's a game changer. ये था मेरा छोटा सा analysis of riding this bike. In fact, I would like to actually live with the new 390 Adventure. I would. It looks so badass. I look nice and like sweet and tiny on it. I like that. I always do. And it's just a very comfortable motorcycle to ride. For its price especially, it is really something else. And you have the option of getting the X, which is the alloy wheels, different sizes of course out there, and some of the features missing, but it's the same engine. You get the crash protection. Pretty much the same bike for 2.9 lakhs. And this is 3.6 ex-showroom. All ex-showroom prices, bhaiya or bahna, sab ex-showroom hi hai. So essentially, you can daily the 390 Adventure. आप इसको office ले जा सकते हो. You can go weekend rides के लिए with your friends, and you can go on killing those trails every weekend. It is something that will work for you everywhere, all 3 places. इसका जो service interval है, it is 7,500 kilometers. तो भाई कहना क्या चाहते हो? That I'm really surprised with the new 390 ADV and the direction that KTM has taken with it. It's a quicker bike, super comfortable for tall and short riders, and I love how they've truly worked super hard on getting that weight distribution right, which the competition didn't do. And the value for money with the quick shifter and the cruise control and the adjustable suspension is brilliant. I know, I didn't get a chance to go out and shoot my off-roading with it, but that's okay, क्योंकि most of you asked me how it would be to go out touring on. अगली बार अपन जाएंगे ऑफ-रोड, गिरेंगे और वो धमाका आपको मैं दिखाऊंगी ज़रूर. आपको कैसी लगी मेरी छोटी सी रिव्यू ज़रूर बताना कमेंट्स में. Don't forget to share this with a friend who's looking for a daily that is not 100, 200 cc, and that is something that has more space, will be nice for their girlfriend, boyfriend, mummy, सब लोग यहाँ पे chill करके बैठ सकते हैं. It's a good seat at the back. And yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Don't forget to subscribe. One video a week here on Bike with Girl. Otherwise, you can daily me on the 2 million account that we have on Instagram, Bike with Girl again. See ya. Good morning, bhaiya. I've also become a girl.